Hi, this video is brought to you by clickandclimb.com, your one-on-one help for math problems. In our last session we saw how to solve the linear equations by addition, and now we are going to do the same thing but using with the subtractions. So let us take the examples to work with, and in all these examples we will be using the subtraction to solve the linear equations. The first example that we take is, if I have an equation, say x plus 5 equals 12. Now this is again a very simple equation, in fact a single step equation that can be solved by using a single operation. And here I can see that on the left side I have a variable x and a constant plus 5. On the other side I have only 12, a constant. So what I need to do is I need to just simplify the left side of the equation so that it has only the variable, that is x. So in order to get rid of the positive 5, what I do, I just give it a negative 5. We just have to give the opposite. So what I do, I just write on the left side as x plus 5 minus 5, or giving it the negative 5. The same will be done to the other side, so I have 12 minus 5. Now x plus 5 minus 5 becomes only x, because positive 5 and negative 5 make it a 0. And on the other side I have 12 minus 5 as 7. So the solution to the equation is x equals 7. And this one, what we should notice over here is that what we did, we used the subtraction, that is minus 5, to solve the equation. Let us take some more examples. If I have y plus 8 equals 7, and this one, it's similar to the previous one, and again we are going to do the same thing, that is we are going to use the subtraction, because I have positive of 8 which is not required on the left side in order to get the value of y. So what I do, I just add the negative of 8 to this, or I can say that I will subtract the 8 from this. What I do on one side has to be done on the other side. So the left side becomes only y and the right side is negative of 1, because 7 less 8 is negative 1, and this is the solution to my equation. Let's take few more examples to make the things more good. The next one I am having is, that would be with integers. I have an equation as a plus 12 equals the negative 5. Now to solve this equation, I will just subtract the 12 from both sides. So I have a plus 12 minus 12 equals minus 5, and also subtracting the negative 12. Now on the left side I am left with only a. On the right side it would be negative 5, negative 12. So I can see that I have to combine two negative things. I say combine, so 5 and 12 combined is a 17, but both of them are negative, so the answer would be negative of 17. Let us take one more example, and this one says z plus negative of 7 equals 2. Now on this one, this is no different than the previous ones. The only difference you can see here is that in earlier ones I was having a number which was in addition with the variable, and the number was a positive. Here the number is negative, that's the only difference. So I need not worry about that. What I will do is, I will just write z plus negative 7 and just write subtract the negative 7, and what I do on one side I'll do on the other side. So 2 subtract negative 7. Just notice that I am subtracting the negative 7 on each side. That is the more important thing to understand here. Okay, now z plus negative 7 and minus negative 7 makes it only z equals. Now here what I need to do is 2 less negative 7. To solve 2 less negative 7, here I can see that I need to make it less, that means subtract, and in order to do that I will just use the opposite. The opposite of less is increase, so I will increase the opposite of negative 7, and the opposite of negative 7 is positive 7. So what I do is 2 plus 7 to get me the answer as z equals 9. For more help on any math problem, please click on clickandclimb.com. Thank you.